He keeps waking up and smiling and dozing up back off to sleep. Hi, baby boo. Are you up? Are you up? It's noontime. It's noontime. Yeah, you up now? Well, good morning, afternoon to you. Good morning and afternoon to you. You look so awake. You look so awake over there. Yeah. Stretching and everything. You ready to get up for the day? You want to do something? What do you want to do, Jacob Boo? You want up? What do you want to do? You want up? Alright, let's get up, okay? So he's up. He's moving. Say hi. You have to say happy Friday. It's the last day of the month. No, we can't eat it. Why does he always have to come down to eating? You're now gripping, and he is now gripping and touching his feet still and putting his finger in his mouth, meaning he's teasing. Are you teasing? Is there teeth coming in? Yeah. What? Are you telling people how it is? You telling people how it is? Today is a very busy day for us. Right now we're taking a little bit of a break, but then I have to pack up. And I'm not packing up just for me. I am packing up for this little guy right here. He's spending the weekend, the whole weekend at his aunt's. You don't usually get to do that, so it's different. But to go and try this, and also tonight we're going to Chuck E. Cheese. Why? Because we like to go. Because we want to go to Chuck E. Cheese. I don't know. I needed to go and do something and then get out of the house. So why not? Why not take the little one to Chuck E. Cheese and see how he does? I know he's still tiny for everything, but you know. What do you think? You want to go to Chuck E. Cheese? You don't even know what Chuck E. Cheese is. You just want the camera. So, we're right now watching the Tim Tracker keep catching up. I need to catch up. Oh my god, this shirt. Why do shirts go up here? But yeah, I noticed I'm getting a little fatter. Thicker. But anyway. What do you think, Jacob? You're just chilling, rubbing your feet. Yeah. So, that is what we are doing today, so let's get to it. Just want to show you what he does. Go on. You hear this crying? Hey! Jacob! 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 Where's the smiles? Where's the smiles? Where's the smiles? Does your teeth still hurt? Is that why you're using that one finger? Alright, so what I was trying to prove to you is that he does like to, I don't even know how to say it, but he likes to fake his cries sometimes, just so he gets the attention. He is rather teasing right now, that's why he has the one finger in. But he's a trickster. He's a little trickster. Aren't ya? Believe me, you do not want to put this in your mouth. It'll hurt. And of course, on this beautiful rainy day that we need to catch the bus to Chuck E. Cheese, it's raining. Not a great day. He has a new blanket that was just washed. Now it's going to smell like rain. Fantastic, by the way. He's covered up and he's taking it, trying to take it off. It's loud as hell outside. I love storm days. I hate rain. Where's this bus? Jacob, you're watching the outside. I'm traveling, aren't we? I'm traveling. You okay, sweetie? The blanket's not fun, was it? Was it? What? Who's a happy boy? Who's a happy boy? Are you a good boy? Jacob! What are you doing? What are you doing? You laughing? You should lose a shoe again. Who told you you should lose shoes, huh? Who told you you should lose shoes? Here we go. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
What are you doing, Jacob? What are you doing? Are you grabbing the camera again? Are you gonna be a film recorder just like mommy? Huh? Kyle! You dropped your shoe. You lost your shoe. So we are now at Chuck E. Cheese. I would have found that the other animatronics at Chuck E. Cheese are creepier than the ones at Disney and such. I think it's just because they don't keep up with them. I don't know. What do you think? Are you at Chuck E. Cheese today? Don't you cover that up. Don't you cover that up. Don't you cover that up. You're such a dork. What do you think of the place?